Hello my lads, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making a mango ginger carrot juice. Okay, so we're going to use 4 pieces of carrots, 1 huge mango, and a tad bit of ginger, though you can use more if you want, if you love ginger. I'm going to cut the mangoes into pieces, and then I'm also going to grate the carrots or cut the carrots into small pieces depending on the power of your blender. I'm also going to cut the ginger or mash the ginger into small pieces. Okay, now without any further ado, let's get to blending. And as the juice blends, I'm just going to tell you the benefits of this drink. Okay. So if you didn't know, ginger consists of vitamin C, and vitamin C is a huge immunity booster. Rather, it helps in curbing cold and flu. And then we are putting in mango too, which has vitamin C. And then we're putting in carrots. What did your doctor and your mama tell you about carrots? Eat carrots so that you have a good eyesight, right? So right here we have a triple threat immunity booster. Keep yourself healthy, keep yourself triple healthy, right? Okay, let's continue blending.